A good thumbnail can make a video go viral, but while having the idea of a good thumbnail is one thing, actually making it is another. In this video, I'll show you some thumbnail design hacks I like to use to make better thumbnails. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. In today's video, we're going to use the AI thumbnail maker of the UniConverter and the generative AI in Photoshop. So if you want to do what I do, you might want to grab those tools, but you can of course just watch and get the ideas. The very first thing you need for a good thumbnail is material. For example, a still image of you, a good background image, an image of the subject of your video. You get the point. When it comes to still images, it's best if you take the time to do a few poses within your video, like, you get a point? Personally, I have a problem with this. I often forget to take these poses, but one of my favorite hacks I've been doing is going to be related to this issue. If we want to talk about background images, the great thing is that you can easily generate background images of anything. This is where the AI thumbnail generator will come in handy. But if the subject of your video is a specific thing, let's say cameras or a certain camera, it's best if you take a proper photo of that or them that you will use. The key thing in today's video, which is the key thing in thumbnail making as well, according to me, is manipulating and combining materials, like cooking. So first, let's take a look at the AI thumbnail maker in the UniConverter. This tool is an image generator. If you open it, you'll see that you can write a prompt here describing what you'd like to see. On the left side, you can choose from styles, so you don't need to include that in your prompt. And down here, you can choose from aspect ratios. That's neat because you won't have to crop a generated image to your desired aspect ratio because it will be generated in it. Okay, so it's summertime. Let's say that you're making a video about your dream holiday. Now, even if you can go on your dream holiday, you may not be able to take a photo to represent it. So let's generate one that does. Write your prompt here. I'm gonna go with the style nature and 16:9 aspect ratio and click on generate. Wait until it processes your request. And here are your images. Save the ones that you like. So one of these will be a nice background of our thumbnail. Now you might ask, isn't this clickbait? Well, in a way it is, but as long as it isn't misleading, it's all right in my book. So what I want is me being in this pool, but I didn't take a proper still to use it for this purpose. Now this is where Photoshop will join us. So while I don't have dedicated stills for this thumbnail, I do have some older ones. So let's see if we can cook something up here. The first thing I'll do is import our generated background image into Photoshop. I will expand it so I have even more room to create. Then I'll choose a still. I have these here that I took in this studio space. Now they don't look like the most usable ones, do they? I'm cut at my chest, my elbows are missing. Still, this is what we have, this is what we'll use. So the first thing I'll do is expand this vertically to give myself, well, a body, some legs, and a bathing suit maybe. Awesome! Now I'll copy myself from this image and insert it onto my background like so. Okay, so let's position it in a way that looks good. Now first I'm gonna try to make myself stand in the water behind this deck. So let's select this area and write a prompt, what I wanna see. I wanna be submerged in water. Kinda works, but I'm not a fan of this deck here anymore. So let's just select this entire area and generate some water. Okay, now I'm starting to like this. The next thing is to try to color correct our subject here. So select me and then set the exposure, the colors a little. Obviously it won't be perfect because this still image was created in a dark room with purple lights, and this is a very sunny, beautiful summer holiday in the tropical dreamland, but it will do the job. Okay, now create a new selection for the background, but starting only from behind me. We will create an out of focus background. So go to select and mask, set the feather value higher, and now save it as a new layer. I don't think I mentioned, but I also created a new layer of me so I could put the out of focus background behind me. All right, now go to the filters menu and to blur and then to lens blur. Here, literally just set it up the way you like it. It's looking real good, no? Now let's add our text. give it some shadow, some colors, and there you have it. An eye-catching thumbnail for a YouTube video about my dream vacation. It would be even better to go on one. Okay, let's take a look at where we started and where we went. Generated this image from scratch, and then we combined it with this image. Isn't this just awesome? Look at it. The great thing about the AI thumbnail maker and the Photoshop Generative AI is that it's only your vision and creativity that can limit as to what you can do with them. So was this video interesting? Did it give you ideas for thumbnail creation? If so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.